Hi guys. So I fucked with my camera settings a little bit. It's getting a little dark, so I wanted to go out and get a little bit of ride in, test these settings, make sure everything's working. I think it is. I hope it is. But guess we'll find out. I think this is the first time I've recorded on the new bike too. So 2019 MT-09. I miss Model 1, but I do love this thing. It's a lot of fun. Don't drop my phone again. Alright. No cops, right? No cops. Let's do it again. Tap check. Coming through, coming through. Alright, I'm gonna just pass you. Damn, that's crazy.